Hi, my name's Joe. I'm a communication specialist and graphic designer. I give Canto a 5 out of 5. For more views like this, click below. So we used a self-contained database, and we also looked at probably 10 commercially available products, narrowed it down to 3, did formal reviews with those, and then settled with Canto as our final solution. The main reason we chose Canto was the ease of use and the cost. We found that a lot of similar products had the same features, but they were a little more complicated, and everything that you wanted that was more of a specialized feature was an additional cost. Canto came in very cost effective, and the customer support was just outstanding. The onboarding and the integration into Canto was actually extremely user friendly. They worked with us based off of our schedules and the different team members, and they made the transition from standalone systems to a cloud based system really seamless. So, one of the big things that I look at when I look at software is the end support. And Canto did a phenomenal job. I basically look at the 800 numbers for all the software, call them, and see who answers. Canto does exactly that. And if you compare Canto to some of the other solutions, you'll find that it is a very user friendly, but also a growing application in that they listen to what the customers have to say and they build that into their newer solutions.